What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video. And today we are talking about why financial literacy can make you a millionaire. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Why financial literacy can make you a millionaire. All right, so everybody wants to be a millionaire, right? Right? I mean, think about it. The average person wants to be rich, but they don't know where to start, right? They don't know where to go, where to be, how to be, what to do, when to do, what to work on first, what's the easiest route to being a millionaire. None of that stuff, right? What's the route with the least resistance? None of that stuff. They just assume that make a lot of money, you can become a millionaire. That is far from the truth. Because even if you become a millionaire, you need to know what to do with your millions. You need to know how to make those millions make more millions, right? That's the goal. You want your money to make more money. So, with all that being said, financial literacy, the definition of financial literacy is basically this, okay? I'm not going to get into the textbook version of it. Financial literacy is basically this: knowing about your personal finance, knowing about credit, knowing about loans, mortgages, 401ks, Roth IRAs, just knowing how money works and knowing what you should do with your money when you get paid from your job. It's that simple. It's that simple. That's what financial literacy breaks down to be. Now, the question is, how do you become financially literate, right? How do you become, you know what I'm saying, aware of credit, aware of your taxes, what you need to do on your taxes as far as on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, on your job or your business taxes. How does that affect you, right? How does that make you more money? How can you make more money by knowing what to do with that? How can you use your credit to make you more money, right? What do you do with that? How do you get your credit score up? How do you how do you just make more money in general? That's always the question. That's the vibe, right? And that's what financial literacy or becoming financially literate can help you do. Okay, so how do you do it? You can number one, just Google research, right? Find some good books on Amazon, okay, that'll teach you financial literacy, but you don't even know which one to go to, right? You don't know the course you need to take. You don't know. And speaking of courses, you can take a college course, okay, on financial literacy and financial planning and learning personal finance and all that good stuff. Or you can check out Myecon. Myecon. It's called My Economy, okay? It's a system that teaches you everything you need to know about building your credit or rebuilding your credit, business credit, teaches you everything about personal finance and becoming financially literate. That's you can make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. You know what I'm saying? And become that millionaire that you're looking to be. Okay? And the quicker you learn financial literacy and the quicker you adapt your mentality to being financially literate, then the quicker you'll become a millionaire, because it might take a little bit of time. You know what I'm saying? Not many people become millionaires overnight. You know what I'm saying? Not many people become financially literate overnight. No one becomes financially literate overnight. So it takes time. So with that being said, at this moment, what you need to do is click the link below, check out Myecon. It's free to check out. Just put your information in, okay, and get started with that, okay? It's an awesome program. Doesn't cost you an arm and leg to get with, and you can actually make money by doing so, okay? And I got a lot of bonuses and things of that nature if you sign up under me, okay? I give you everything you need to use to start an online business. That's so you can create some financial freedom and you can become financially literate and you can start living your best life. You know what I mean? That's the vibe, right? Living the best life. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a wealth builder. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. And it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for why financial literacy can make you a millionaire. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealthbuilderz, baby.